Well, folks, welcome back. And yes, I'm wearing the same outfit as I was in the last 2 or 3 videos at this point. I know it's sad. So here we are. Some more quick tips, tricks, and hacks coming your way. What are we doing today? We're doing supplements and medications. That's right. Getting your supplements and medications to Spain. Yeah, that's a challenge. Good luck. Luckily, I'm here to help. And with that said, someone off camera is telling me I'm low energy now. Do you find me low energy? Sorry, I'm trying. Well, folks, as I spoke of in the intro, we are sneaking. No, I'm joking. Am I joking? No. Yes, I'm joking. We are, smuggling? No, we're bringing in supplements and medications into Spain. Every day, gringos are doing this. It's a gringo love story. And why, you may ask? Some people are like, dude, you're overpacking, man. Why? It's a pilgrimage. Do you really need to bring supplements and medication with you? Well, yes, medication you definitely need to bring with you. I know you do. Me, I don't take any. But maybe I should.
You decide.
I bring supplements. I have supplements for everything. At home, I take a lot more supplements. But on the trail, I approach it athletically. So I'm kind of not doping, but I'm supplementing along the way. Again, I'm also vegetarian, so there's certain things I need to put into myself in order to survive. It's true. And maybe you're like me. If you are like me and weren't really sure how to do that, this is how you do it. As you're heading out and packing your bag, leave some space at the top of your bag. In other words, don't overpack. So you can do this. See these supplements? Put them in a bag where they're visible. Don't open them beforehand. Make sure they're all new if they're supplements. So they're sealed and they're in their bottles. And that way, you'll be able to get through customs and everything else. They're not going to give you any trouble. I've always brought supplements with me, and they've never bothered me once. And then when I get to the first hostel or hotel or wherever I'm staying, once I'm in Spain, I take them all out of their bottles, and I bring enough Ziplocs for them to fit in. I pre-label the Ziplocs in anticipation of loading them up with supplements. For example, this says Multi-V, because they're multivitamins. So if you're shopping for supplements where the total dosage is 1 tablet, it's just much easier to pack and less to take with you if it's 1 as opposed to 2. I also find tablets actually are heavier than capsules, but whatever. It's not that much. And that's what I do, and I kind of stack them all on top of each other and then put them all in a primary bag. And there you go. Now that said, hey, it's me just popping in because I forgot to mention during the filming of that video that aside from packaging your vitamins in plastic bags, how you should be storing them within your backpack, within the confines of your backpack, because the sun can damage any vitamin or medication. So you don't want to store them in the outside pockets of your backpack, but the inside pockets of your backpack. And that inside pocket may include under the flap, the top flap, the brain, if you will, of the bag. There's sometimes an inner pocket there. That's probably close enough and to the sun, yet far enough away to not cause any damage to the supplement or medication. It's also a pretty handy place to have your medication or your supplements. Another thing is, when you wake up in the morning, pack your pill pack. Yeah, I didn't show you my pill pack. It looks like this. Check this out. Maybe you're not a supplement person. Maybe this is the first time you're even thinking about supplements. Maybe I've inspired you to pick up supplements. But maybe you don't take supplements because supplements upset your stomach. And if that is the case, no worries. They also make supplement patches these days. Yeah, the future is awesome. Now, I'm not sure I believe in all of them that they offer as patches, but my first, I brought a Multi-V, I brought like a B12, and it's just a sticker patch. It's like a nicotine patch. Slap that on. I had them all over my body, different vitamins. And my Camino family first year was really, they found that actually by the end of it, I had them slapping patches on themselves too. So yeah, they make patches for everything, even collagen patches. Yeah, So and again, these are good for people that can't take supplements because it upsets their stomach, or certain supplements upset their stomach. There might be a patch option out there. So look for that. I'll have a link below with a couple I find online. But I liked them. They were very convenient. They're flat. They pack flat. They weigh nothing. So that might be the way too. But again, that's how I do it and have zero problem getting these into Spain. And I definitely noticed a performance boost by what I'm choosing to take. You know, that said, there's actually a formulation I take. It's called Helio Care. And this stuff, I don't have it with me, it's in the house, but this stuff right here, it works from the inside out in sun blocking. I'm sure it contains vitamin D, but natural SPFs working from the inside out to protect you from the sun, I think 3 times more than you typically would be. It might be even more than that. And I believe this is actually made in Spain. But I've used it the last couple Caminos because you're going to be in the sun all day long. So whatever help, again, I can get, whatever advantage I can get while there to not burn maybe, I'll take it. I'm using sunblock every day, but I'm also taking this tablet preventively as well. So check that stuff out. It's pretty interesting. And again, if you have room in your case, if you already have all these other supplements in mind, don't bring it. Along with that, magnesium is also another great tablet to bring with you, or capsule to bring with you for at the end of the day for aches and pains in the joints. It'll also make you a little sleepy, so it can be used at night. However, try it before you go. Figure out the right dosage for yourself, because if you take too much, it can really affect your stomach in an up all night kind of way in a shared dormitory.
Buen Camino.
Yeah. Just make sure you're close to the bathroom. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'll say. So magnesium. But yeah, if you tweak that out just right, it goes a long way. One of my favorites. And that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed today's tips, tricks, and hacks. I know it was especially short, but I wanted it to be especially short. You wanted it to be especially short too, because you're into short things like shortbread, shortcake, and other short things that you can eat, apparently. I don't know what I mean by that, but what I am is thankful that you're here. And again, like, comment, subscribe, especially if you have your own supplement tips, tricks, and hacks. Leave them below. We want to know. We want to learn from each other when it comes to supplementing on the Camino.
Hey!
And yeah, again, let's take on ones. Something to look into. I don't know if the technology is there yet. I think it might be for some of them. So take a deeper dive into that if that appeals to you. Until next time, get out there, make me proud, and more importantly,
When